I'm Dr. Hatch. I'm a chiropractic neurologist. I did a postdoctorate degree after chiropractic in functional neurology and functional medicine. So I've studied the way of how the brain rehabs and how it functions and different ways to activate it. 3 things the brain needs: oxygen, fuel, and stimulation. Fuel is the most important, and this is where everyone's gone through dieting, through supplement, but they're still missing the boat. People still aren't getting enough fruits and vegetables. We live in a world where it's as fast as possible, and we don't get our fruits and vegetables to save our lives. So the great thing that I've studied about the brain is everything needs a right homeostasis, a right balance between what it needs versus what it's being exposed to. And without fruits and vegetables, your body can never sustain what it needs on its own. Sometimes we don't know what to do. What you guys have done is take out the question mark of, what do I need of those reds? Do I need vegetables or do I need fruits? Well, let's combine it. And you get a little bit of both, and let's see the best outcome. So that's what I saw in this, was it like, what am I craving today? Not, I'm following a regimen and I'm supposed to only eat this or only drink this. Everything that I've studied, everything that I've seen, all the herbal supplements that are out there, all the diets that I've studied, what I've realized is it's got to come back to the basics. Get the fruits and vegetables. A lot of people don't eat it, so they take this multivitamin and the supplement. But now we have a product like RUVI out here that can literally supply the fruits and vegetables that you need. Take the RUVI, get the fruits and vegetables that you need, and watch what happens. Watch those things change. Watch things change that you didn't think were possible because you didn't realize how much your brain and body were starving for fruits and vegetables.